can witness the snowstorm. You can see how the snow is falling on the ground. Snowflakes everywhere. Going to breakfast time. This is the most, I don't know how it is going to be. First time I'm walking in the snowstorm. I hope you're getting a feel of it. It's so dangerous to walk in this. Actually, I'm walking. I really don't know whether I should walk or not, but since I have to go for breakfast, I'm just going. We have to take care of our steps, be watchful. I don't know if I'm supposed to go now or not, but then I'm just venturing in this weather. I don't see anyone. Everyone has their own car, so they travel by car. But for me, I just walk. I'm walking. You can see how the road also is filled with snow. I think it's pretty dangerous to do this. And sometimes they say that it can rain the whole day. Also can be snow, rain. I think you can take a look at me also. I don't know.